player din yan.
Saan? Hindi. Yan ang susunod na liga. May magliliga ng 1 o'clock. Dapat nga, mag-5 games ako ngayon.
Oo, sila.
Hindi na kaya gawa nito. May magliliga ng 1 o'clock.
Kaya, pagka nagdagdag ako na isang player, pwede ka.
Oo naman.
Kaso lang, paano uniform niya?
Pwede naman ganito.
Pwedeng
Oo.
to be follow?
Yeah.
Tatanong ko muna kasi may ni-request si Joey sa akin. Sa San Diego. Sabi niya may common friend kami. Sabi sa amin yun, naglalaro yun. May close friend niya. Sabi ko,
Back to the action, second half.
malaki din bro eh.
As Team Torrance
5'11", 5'10".
down by 117 to 16. As Team Angelina capitalizing behind
Lakas na
the
San Diego.
Bacani goal from the corner.
Oo ba sana siya?
Sky high for the rebound.
Nag-ano kami ng Beverly Hills.
Nag-merge kayo?
Walang makuha player sa akin.
Okay. Team Torrance, a chance for them
Sinerte
to
lang
grab the
na
lead.
yung anahan, dahil na degree yung naglalaro eh.
Speed, and quickness.
Dapat nga, isasama pa namin yung metro sa akin eh. Kaso
Ama,
nagbumuso
unavailable Ama has been making those runs in the first half, but this time
Joey.
was illegal.
Hindi
Malones
bubuo kami. Sige.
at the corner to Baruao. Cross court to Bacani. Bacani trying to deflect his Gabana reverse. Bacani do a connection again.
Grabe yung laro ni Mercy Mark.
They need to stop Bacani. Those two Bacanis if they want to win this ball game. Team Torrance 19 to 16. Cross court. And he makes it rain for 10. No fear. 3-point shot from 10. Malones directing traffic.
Nagre-rebound doon ng takot.
Down low.
Ganyan sa
Unable to complete
kaya
it.
bumagsak.
Oh, sir.
They're gonna credit the defense of Team Torrance there to stop that play.
Pero eh,
As they were able to
ayaw
apply a little bit of pressure. Ama at the corner again. 10 back-to-back hits. Not this time. As Bacani embracing that ball.
Maganda 11 na teams.
Parungao will decide to slow things down using the half-court
So next
set.
week may game sila.
Sudden change of pace for Parungao, but this time
nakukulit
no
kami ba?
pass break. He will challenge it. Ama will challenge Parungao one-on-one. To 10, no look pass. To Bergoglio. A foul because against Malones. And that was a high-octane offense there by Team Torrance, but they need to have some of those if they want to win this ballgame. As for Team Angelina, they are rallying behind the Bacani rule. But of course, it should be still a team effort. Everyone still should contribute and not rely on their superstars, as they say. And so, on the free throw line is Bergoglio. And while he's at it, we're tied at 19. And while he's at it, of course, this is your Interlodge P. Mason exclusive only basketball league. And we have a Sunday schedule. Check out the website. And of course, I'll be posting. Crossover, high-low play, flat slam, unable to control the ball. Behind the back, Parungao, Bacani, and Ama leading the charge. They have the numbers for up the situation, but Malones was able to save the day with that steal. Dan, looking at opening, Kadumo, nothing for him. Well, he rushed that shot. Unable to get a little bit of composure down low. Substitution for the Pusin into the ball game as Kenneth will need to sit down. Gado in the ball game and Ellis and Sanchez. Well, Ellis and Sanchez has been the backcourt tandem for Team Torrance in the first half. That's why they got the lead a while ago, 4 points. But let's see if they are still effective in the second half. Because the Bacani duo is in the other end. What a play there! Fantastic move from the Pusin as the elevated teamwork. Sanchez. He has no options here, but decides to take it strong to the hole. No hesitation for Sanchez as he has been leading score. How many points? 10 points? 10 points for Sanchez. He's at double digits already. Dakusin, drop pass, but they're double beating Bacani this time. But Dakusin back-to-back hits. Swing of events here as now Angelina up by 1, 23 to 22. Both teams throwing punches at each other. Figuratively, of course. Substitution. In the ballgame is Avellana. Our score is still 23 to 22. Angelina in the driver's seat, or rather on the driver's seat. Baseball pass from the corner. Dakusin, when he has 4 points a while ago. He has been the spark plug off the bench. Sanchez to Ellis. The backcourt tandem is not too strong. Barunga against two Torrance players. Sanchez using his speed and quickness. Ellis left wide open. Battle for the loose ball. Still, Angelina kept control of the ball. This time, able to drain it. Well, as you can see, the resiliency of You're going to see the resiliency of Sanchez not giving up on that play as they have the lead 24 to 23. Bacani, they go on the left side. Balagal lets it fly. Short, Bacani was there to recover. And Bacani powering his way, flexing his muscles down low. Well, Bacani, brute strength, showing us while he's the leading scorer for the other team. 6 points already for Bacani. A total team effort for both teams. Bugarin back in the ballgame. That would add a front court presence here for Team Angelina as they need to shut down the paint as they have been. Torrance has been attacking them from all ends of the floor. Again, look at the smallest player on the floor. Avellana making that play count, however unable to complete that shot. 2-run lead being enjoyed here by Team Angelina with 12 minutes and 34 left in the second half. Still anybody's ball game at this point. Farula deciding to go to Bacani, and again those fouls has been hunting them for Team Torrance. Well, credit the aggressive play of Bacani down low. They have been using their height advantage. Foul on, that would be foul on Tan, number 15. Or rather, that's Gado. Chance for them to add the lead, 26 to 24. Bacani on the line, shooting to complete those throws. Battle for the loose ball. Avellana able to control the ladder. Sanchez on the run, transition. Tan to Sanchez. Bugarin was there to come the play. A chance for them to tie this ball game up. Torrance not far behind, 2-point lead, Team Angelina. And to grab the lead, no, Ellis was there. Sanchez decides to give it to Ellis from the corner. Ellis throws a little bit strong on that shot. Behind the back dribbling against 3 defenders. Parumao waiting for Bacani. Bacani power move down low. And Bacani again lording over the paint. But that has been his territory down there. Bacani towering over Torrance, and now they have the lead 28 to 24 with 10 minutes and 49 left. is the Interlaunch Freemason event. One timeout left for Team Torrance. 0 timeouts for Team Angelina. So 10 minutes left. One more timeout for Torrance. No more timeouts for Angelina team. Back to the action. Second half. Team Angelina up by 4. Let's see if Torres has some answers. Gago, stuck in traffic. Makani seats it back with the block. Parula will use the half-court set as he will try to facilitate the play. Calling his teammates out using the screen. Parula, drop pass to Bakani. Bakani has been hot so far. Tapping away. The Kuzin is there to control the board. Bagaw to Bugarin. Bugarin. No opening for him. Bagaw. The Kuzin on the left side. Baseline. Bugarin 2-man play. And again, who's there? Bakani is there. What a performance from Bakani. Extending the lead to 6. And they need to have some answers against that guy. Bakani has just been relentless in the paint. Unstoppable, so to speak. Bakani on the line, trying to complete the 3-point play. And Bakani, substitution. To add more physicality, Kadumov is in the ballgame and Matt Slam. Yeah, that would add some physicality down the paint. Kadumov is a known enforcer down the paint. So let's see what will happen here. With 9 minutes left, 31 to 24. Team Angelina is up. Sanchez. He needs to wake his teammates up because he has been the leading scorer. Matt Slam on the prowl. Oh, body to body. Bagaw. What a physical play down there, Bagaw. Using his body to stop that play. Parumaw taking some composure here on the play. Using the screen, pick and roll. Taken away by Matt Slam. Matt Slam. Turnover for him. Substitution. The other Bakani in the ballgame. Well, for Matt Slam, his hand was caught in the cookie jar, so to speak, figuratively. Caught by a referee. From the court, Malones. Being hounded by the defense of Kadumov. Gago, able to complete the steal. Kyle Awalico, he was able to make a 3-point shot, but that takes it in the hole. And using some creativity down there, as he was able to split the defense. Bakani. But this time, he will be denied. Sanchez. Waiting for his friend, Sanchez. To Kadumov. Kadumov. Spins and turns. Traveling for Kadumov. Still, after the dead ball situation for substitution, but Angelina still up by 5. Quick first step by Parumaw. Offline. Too strong. Back of the iron. Then, thought about it. Back to Sanchez. Well, Sanchez has been right here in the second half. Only 2 points for Sanchez here in the last minutes of the second half. Gago. Point blank miss. 3-on-2 situation. Malones. Parumao to Bacani, able to make that basket. 33 to 26, slowly but surely they're chipping away with that lead. Team Torrance needs to be more aggressive here. Matt Slam. They throw it to Parumao, short of that layup. Got it, however, able to stop it. Sanchez with a difficult shot. Bugarin was there to infiltrate him. Bacani using the clock on their hands. But it's still anybody's ball. This is 7-point lead. Parumao to Bugarin. Playmaking ability. Everything with the shot. Sanchez will challenge the defense here. Let's see. Sanchez goes all the way. And hitting the rim of the goods for Sanchez, 28 to 33. Well, you're gonna appreciate Sanchez on your team. No fear. Aggression on his eyes. And again, that could win for Steven C. One here. Sanchez to 10 on the layup. Sanchez again keeping the ball alive. Sanchez forced the timeout. No more timeout for Team Angelina. No more. And that would be a technical as 4. No more timeout. Stop the clock. No more timeout. So Sanchez will be rewarded with another point. But Sanchez 4-point swing here. 5 points if he makes the shot. Well, as we keep on saying a while ago, during the first half, Sanchez and Ellis were point getter here for team. 5 points in the second half for Sanchez, making it 15 points on his stats. But this time, 10 is adding to the lead. But that has been a dynamic duo. Tan and Sanchez creating some havoc here as they're trying to make a comeback. Sanchez to Tan. Thought about it against Parumao. 1-on-1. Able to escape the clutches of the defense. Better for the loose ball. Bacani to Parumao ahead of the back with the push. What will be the call? Let's wait for the call. 33 to 31. Exciting ball. Foul. And will be rewarded to Parumao. A breather here for Team Angelina as they've been on a drought. Well, Sanchez has been their main man as of this point. Parumao makes the basket, makes it to a 3-point lead with 4 minutes remaining here. Let's see if he can extend the lead to 5 or rather 4. He doesn't, but Bacani's there with the second serving. Bacani, all muscle. Bacani making that basket. Kadugo with the foul. 36 to 31, 5-point lead. Well, that was a quick swing for Team Angelina. But the marquee matchup is Bacani and Sanchez. Both teams trying to lead their first win. Timeout will be called here. That is the last timeout for Team Torrance with 3 minutes and 24. No more timeout for both teams as we go for a quick break. We are still live here in Carson City for the Interlodge Freemason Basketball League. You are watching Team Torrance against Team Angelina and what could be an exciting turnaround of events here. Good afternoon, I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Magic Man, calling the play-by-play and analysis for this ball game. Back to the action. Ama, left wide open, unable to capitalize. But they will use the clock here. Paroma, but it's just a two-possession ball game. Let's see what will happen here. But this is a crucial moment for both teams. Team Angelina, if they can make the basket, they can extend the lead to 7. But if they make a stop for Team Torrance, then they can make a run. Let's see what will happen. Bakani missing. That shot there from Sanchez. Sanchez to Ama. Ama unable to save the ball, but Sanchez is there. With the resiliency of Sanchez. What a play by Sanchez. Amazing performance from Sanchez. 17 points for their point guard Sanchez. He has been the difference so far. He is not giving up all heart, all soul. He has been the bread and butter here for Team Torrance. Let's see if Angelina has some answers with 2 minutes and 12 remaining, 36 to 33. And that will be a turnover. Good defense there by Kadunal. 2 minutes and substitution. Avellana. Exciting is an understatement as we conclude the last 2 minutes of this ball game. Main event Torrance against Angelina. Hold on to your seats. This is going to be a matchup for the ages as he missed that shot. Avellana able to save it. Ama to Sanchez against Paruma. One-on-one. Let's see. Using the screen. Sanchez to Avellana. Avellana wide open. Avellana. Front court, 1 minute and 29. Still running on this ball game. Sanchez against Paruma. Sanchez on that one. And ball will go with Team Angelina. What a ball game so far. Foul. Everyone is up on their feet. 36 to 33. One possession ball game. One play can make the difference. Let's see. 1 minute remaining. This has been a roller coaster ride. We don't know who's going to win this ball game. Paruma against Sanchez. He wants this matchup. Let's see. The double team comes. Able to escape the defense. Will there be a turnover? Chaos down the floor. Let's see what will happen. Sanchez to that. Achua runner. This is enough for the last. Cutting the lead to 136 to 35. What a ball game so far. Main event. 28 seconds. Paruma. Bakani holding on to the ladder. Avellana will give up that foul. Avellana, what a ball game. This is the opening tournament day. What could happen down the road? What a matchup. Team Torrance not giving up, while Team Angelina holding on to their lead. Who will prevail? Bakani earns some steal. One possession ball game, 24 seconds left. What will happen here? 2-point ball game, but there's going to be another free throw left for Bakani. Bakani was pressured there. Oh, lucky call for the breaks of the game. Bakani, a chance for him to make it a 3-point game. Let's see. Are we going to overtime or our Team Torrance will grab the victory? Let's see. One possession ball game. 38 to 35, 24 seconds left. Matt Slam losing. There's still a lot of time. 14 seconds left as he throws the ball. 14 seconds, 38 and 35. Pressure is on the side of Team Torrance. They use the clock. 8 seconds remaining. Too much pressure. 4 seconds left. 4 seconds. What a ball game. One possession victory. Let's conclude this ball game. 4 seconds. Chua Bakani stole it away, and that ends the ball game of this exciting main event. Team Angelina escaping with a victory 38-35, led by Bakani. Bakani, kasi dalawang Bakani. Who's Bakani? Our player of the game. What a ball game! Physicality, intensity, everything down the line. See you again next week for your Interlodge Freemason Basketball League. This has been Louis Gunn, Magic Man, your host MC. And this has been the team in the name of Achilles and Stacy, and of course our commissioner, Brother Derek Mendes. Good day to everyone, and enjoy your Sunday afternoon. Picture taking